마쇼.
And thank you all for coming today. This is such an important day, and to show Canberra that even if they are unwilling to speak up about Tibet, we are unafraid of these new laws coming in from China. These new laws that threaten your right to protest here in Australia. These new laws that try to silence you. And so it's so important that you come here today and you said, we're not afraid and we will not be silenced by these new laws. So these new laws, they're called the Law on Promoting Ethnic Unity and Progress. These are like a wolf in sheep's clothing. Behind the seemingly positive terms of unity and progress are the very ugly and dangerous realities of forced assimilation and cultural genocide. We've already seen over 70 years the deadly consequences of China's occupation of Tibet. And here we know that rule of Tibet. On July 2nd, just one day after this law came into effect, the Tibetan community around the world, Tibet supporters, were completely rocked by a self-immolation in protest in New York at the UN headquarters. This is a self-immolation protest done out of desperation and sacrifice. Lobgya Rangzen had a message, a very, very clear message that he made before his protest. Lobgya Rangzen warned that China's policies threaten the very survival of Tibetan identity, Tibetan language and culture, and called for all Tibetans to be united in their fight and their struggle for free Tibet. And while we mourn this tragic loss, it is imperative that the international community lead the message behind.
In outside of Tibet, we always appreciate your hard work. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sophie. Tanda aningaron so tozok so nangshire ta moron raujin moro lapton droyaki kopsini ki tangaron su tendal tucheche kalejebje molo nishul hal tangaron su tendal tucheche meri simba ji ngaron che de tindi kalejeb gorte ni zamba ngone ngaron su chamalogi samna tanjine ngaron su ke gaje jingen khugo sare chamalogi tingol gomba shiro na shyayi toche. Thank you again, Dr. Sophie. Really appreciate. Thank you for everything. Zoe, Dr. Zoe. Sorry.
Oh, really? Tashi Dele.
Tashi Dele.
Hi, everybody. Thank you for coming here today. I know some of you have come a long way, and so it's really appreciated that you take these issues so seriously and stand up for the Tibetan people. And those people in there notice, everyone sees, all the people driving by, they see you here, and it's a fantastic sea of flags. It's also great to see the people representing East Turkestan here, the Uyghur people. I see the flags over here, because we have a common struggle. We're fighting a common enemy, we're suffering.
Who tragically passed away 49 days ago. Nobody should be driven to such an act, and the Greens will always push for human rights to be respected and protected for everybody, everywhere. No law should ever seek to strip someone of their rights to their culture, their heritage, and their rights to self-determination, including cultural and spiritual expression. Hello! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
Dablala Nitaban Tochena Shuaye, Ane Dana Gona Ane Shua Nangshe Cheche, and Tenzin Chime Roji Chad Sumba, not under Queensland, and you remember Tinichin Chad the Warre, and the Moran Rogenet Kasan, the Rain Diso, and Tandaki Tuson Nola, Neve Mina Moboji, Tuchiche, and Tuchichi Ore, and one Chebana Moran Drain Duschich and Atson Salegine, and Tenzin Chime Morangi, and it Rangato Tamsech, Lirin to Sin Dushire, Embana Dakidanki Moro. Lochon Joche and Genton Chimbure, the Yembena da Kora Chig Dushigu Yodi Zambata, Morongi, Pama Mebena, and the Moroyan Chelo Chibu to see the Kosok Tangamindu Lonak Chanigi. Then Zamba and it train Tinzichime to Chijang Chatoyam.
Distinguished guests, fellow Tibetans, friends, supporters, and members of all the communities here in Australia. Today, I stand before you on behalf of the Voluntary Tibet Advocacy Group Australia. also known as VTAG Australia. But I also stand here carrying the voices of Tibetan youths across Australia and across the world. We gather today not because we seek conflict. We gather because silence is not an option. We are here today because when the laws are written to erase a people's language, culture, identity, and history, it is not a call for violence, but it is a call for justice, dignity. Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Thank you.
What do we want?
We want justice.
What do we want?
We want justice.
What do we want?
We want freedom.
What do we want?
We want freedom.
What do we want?
We want freedom.
Australia 그 제원 소소당等네 보통 랭캉당等네 가서 그 공원 주택다等네 망보지 Australia 그 치실레 콩라 가서 파자제 되는 거 가서 그네 땅도 참아 파시게 영 대수 미망라 태야다等네 그 수직 소자 예 미망 그 전도체 땅 가서 조본조보 빠직잡 아니 샤라체 아니 자나선수 다다게 체즈자야다 정말 게 체즈자야 헬로 대전이다 우리 대전로 그 쇼다 안에 그 땅도